Hi guys, my name is Mia Cook and today I'm going to be reviewing the Echo Dot 2nd generation. I picked this up at my local Best Buy shop for only $25. On the back of the box there is a transparent slip that has arrows where you should slip it off. When opening the box, I noticed that the black part was a lot sturdier than I expected. I expected a flimsy plastic, but it was actually pretty sturdy for a cardboard piece. The first thing I took out was the Echo Dot and the 2 pamphlets, the charging cable, and of course, the charging adapter. As you can see here, I am ripping the box, which you shouldn't do because I was getting a little impatient. You should keep the box and keep it for a nice, tight, and protective sealing. This is everything that comes in the box. Of course, the Echo Dot, the 2 pamphlets, the charging adapter, and the charging cable. Starting off with the Echo Dot, I peeled off the plastic protective sleeve from the Echo Dot. After taking off the protective sleeve, I noticed 1 or 2 scratches. Next, I started off with the adapter, took the plastic sleeve off, and it was very, very smooth. It had a nice feel to it. It didn't feel cheap at all. The charging cable is very, very long, more than I expected. Next, I did a quick overlook to make sure there was no damages to the Echo Dot. Next, I took my charging adapter and my charging cable and I put them together and I put it in my wall. On the Amazon Echo Dot, there were 2 holes, one for charging and the other one for a headphone. Your Echo Dot should turn on after you plug it in. Today, I'm going to use my iPhone 8 that's compatible with iOS 12 to connect to my Amazon Echo Dot. You're going to go ahead and open up your App Store and search up Alexa app. Now you're going to want to download it. Once you've downloaded the app, you're going to want to open it and connect it to your phone, your Wi-Fi system, and any other devices that you can. Remember, the Echo Dot is only $25 at Best Buy. Be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And also like this video.